Hello and welcome to this tutorial and unboxing of our 8mm Diamante rivet bundle. Inside your box you will have a 8mm Diamante rivet die. There's your base die and your top die, and you'll have 10 of each colour. The colours are black, hot pink, AB or Aurora Borealis, red, violet, lilac, royal blue, purple, turquoise, light pink, jade green, midnight blue and clear. Let's see how this works on our green machine. Okay, so let's start with our Diamante rivet die. So our base die is going to look like this. It's spring loaded. That goes into the bottom of your machine. Our top die is going to look like this. This screws into the top of your machine. Here I have some faux leather. We're going to pick red. So I'll take that out, and this is what your rivet's going to look like, with a spiky part on the back. That goes face down into the base die. Put that in there. We will take a back-in. This inverted part here, is where the spike's going to go. And we want this smooth edge, push it up, to be inside of the top die. So we'll push that up into the top die. If this is going to be the face of your fabric, then you want to use it upside down. And put it between the two dies and just push down. And there you have it.